Welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look at SportyHQ's live scoring app, Score Squash. Once you've logged in using your SportyHQ credentials, you'll get to this first screen which shows a history of any match that you've scored. This is a new profile, so we don't have any. We can begin by hitting the plus button in the top right corner, as well as selecting new match from the hamburger menu. Also available here, we can hit matches to get back to the original screen. We can select settings. Let's take a look at the options. First one is app theme. So if you want to change it from light mode to dark mode, you can go ahead here. We'll leave it as light for the purpose of today. Also available under settings, you can choose to leave the screen on. This is helpful so it does not go dark while you're scoring. We don't expect you to have any issues with the app, but should you do, it would be helpful if you could send us that information. You can clear your match history. We don't have any to clear. You can also email us feedback and leave the app review. Finally, from the menu here, you can check out other SportyHQ services that we offer, visit our website, and sign out of the app. Okay, so let's begin by selecting new match. We've got two options here, browse my events or set a match up manually. If you are a player, an official, or an admin of a tournament or league in SportyHQ and the matches have been scheduled, you can find them through browse my events. Otherwise, you will have to use the manual setup. So let's go browse my events. Here's the tournament I'm playing in. And here are all the upcoming matches, which I can select from to start scoring. So let's go at Malia here versus Etel. Confirm the details of the match. Here we pick shirt colors. So Malia, let's put blue. Switch over the player to Etel. Let's go gold. Perfect. Continue. The rules will come from the event that's already been created in SportyHQ. The only one adjustable here will be the warm-up time. We'll leave it as 5. We'll hit continue. So this is our warm-up screen. We're just going to confirm we're happy with the colors that we've chosen. The players haven't made any changes. And we can begin the countdown by selecting start warm-up, or we can skip it, which we'll do today. Now we're going to choose who's serving, and then the match will begin. So let's select Malaya. Okay, so you can see the match timer and the game timer have begun. And we are here at level. Malia is serving from the right side. If she's chosen to change, you can just tap the R beside the score here, and it'll move over to the left. Okay, so the game is off, and one rally is going to move the score along, as you might expect. We do have a couple other options here, though, of course, let. So once a let has been called, you've got the decision to make. Let's call it a stroke. You can see the score has updated. The other option we have here is other, and that will allow us to deal with misconduct and injury. So for example, we want to give a conduct stroke here. We're going to choose a reason, let's say sporting behavior, and you can see that they've gained a point. Okay, what else can we do here? We can also hit exit. This will temporarily get us out of the game and pause the match time and the game time. Once you come back, it will restart. Let's cancel that. Okay, so let's finish off a game and see what that looks like. So we'll say Mali is going to win. Player 1 won the game. Yes, finish. No, undo if you've made a mistake. So let's say yes, finish. Okay, here we can see the rest period counter has begun. So you can make sure the players are back on court in time. We can see a breakdown of the first game and an overall breakdown of the match. So let's continue on here. And let's kick off the next game that's going. We'll have Malia win this one too. Pretty one-sided game here. Okay, so then we've got 2-love, which we can see. Continue match. And we'll do this last one very one-sided. There we go. Yes, finish game. Okay, so the match is completed. We can see the breakdown of the 3 games and the breakdown of the overall match. As soon as we hit save here, the result will be updated in SportyHQ, which means the draw will get updated, any ranking points to the players will be applied, and each player will receive an online scorecard, which gets added to their player profile. Visit the profile, go to match history, you'll see a breakdown of the match and an available online scorecard, where you'll get the point-by-point breakdown and the times of the games in the match. So let's hit save. Great. So now we got a match, our first one in our history. That match has gone into Sporty, and everything's been taken care of. Nothing for any organizer to do. And that's it. Hopefully not too difficult. If you have any feedback, please do let us know through the app or through sportyhq.com directly. And thank you for watching.